Hi guys, so a few days ago I told you guys I'm going to do a video review about a freelancing platform that I just discovered recently, and I've been testing it for quite some times now, and it's been paying without any failure. So I decided to share it with you guys. So the platform we're looking at today is Copywriting Network. So this freelancing platform is a website that was actually created to serve writers, because most of their jobs on the platform is majorly writing specific. But aside that, there are other jobs that one can take on the platform to earn a reasonable sum. So some of the freelancing jobs there aside writing includes video editing, image editing, social media influencing, surveys, product review, and bunch of stuff like that. So, but I wouldn't want to waste much of our time discussing all this, so I'll rather show you guys everything in the platform. So let's quickly sign up and create an account for the sake of this tutorial, because I wouldn't want to use my main account for this. So we'll click on I'm going to be using a temporary email for this account creation, because it's just something temporary. So I think I made a mistake in the password. Let me reset. So this is it. We are signed in. So I'm actually using a mobile phone for this, so that's why my view is like this. But if you are using a laptop or PC, the view is going to be better. So this is the overview. This is how your dashboard is going to look like once you log into the site. So I would suggest you watch this video here, over here on the screen. This video is kind of a guide that was created by this platform to help new members know what the platform is all about and how to navigate throughout. So on the left hand side, you're going to see you're going to see a full list. That's your navigation tab. So wherever you want to go to on the platform, you can go from there. Let me zoom in a bit so that you can look at it. So this is your dashboard. Like I was saying earlier, these are the jobs here. Everything here are the jobs that you are eligible to participate in. So for the whole of this place, we can see that these are writing jobs. Now, aside writing jobs, we have surveys, we have social media posting, we have share image, that's also social media posting too, or influencing. We have product reviewer, image editing, YouTube sponsorship, referral program, video editor. I think that's probably all of them. So one thing about this platform that I would like to chip in is that once you create an account, before you start taking on any job, most especially writing jobs, you will have to write an exam. The reason for this exam now is because they will want to test your writing skills and see how prominent you are in writing, because on this platform freelancers are being ranked. So the higher your ranking, the higher you earn. For instance, when you move down to the right hand side, you see your networking points here. this shows that I'm in level 1 with 10 points. Level 1, 10 points, because it's just a new account. So the more I write, the more I take up jobs, the more I earn, and the higher I rank, which increases my earning. So it's all about consistency. So back to what I was saying earlier. For you to start writing on this platform, you have to take an exam. Now, for you to take that exam, you have to scroll down here. You come to your writing exams, you click on it. It's going to take you to the next page. So this is where you see your exam topic, your exam task. What you're supposed to do is to write an article. That's what they use to grade you. So you're going to write a total of 3 articles, and they're going to use those 3 articles to test your skill level and how good the writer you are, so that they'll be able to know how to rank you. So once you are done with this exam, you can now start taking full writing jobs. But if you are kind of lazy to write the exam, or you want to skip writing the exam, or just not in the mood for the exam, there are some jobs that you can take. When you look at the site map here on the left hand side, you can see your dashboard, jobs for you now, then jobs without writing exam. So when you click on these jobs without writing exam, it's going to show you a bunch of jobs that you can pick from. So these are the whole jobs there, but when you notice, the pay here is less, very less. So when you look at each job, you look at the earning, you look at the pay, it's really poor. So that's what you get when you don't verify your account fully by taking that exam. Because what they do is, if you don't write the exam, they don't know your skill level, so they just give you a random job to take. But after writing the exam, they'll start grading you, and the more you keep taking on jobs, the more you keep ranking, the higher you earn. So, and the more you keep taking on jobs, the more you keep ranking, the higher you earn. So another thing I would like to show you guys now is, let's talk about the withdrawal system here. Now, for the withdrawal, the minimum withdrawal for a start, that's your first time withdrawal, is $1. When you have a minimum of $1 in your account, you'll be able to issue for withdrawal. So these are the withdrawal requirements here. You can see minimum withdrawal $1, withdrawal method Bitcoin, PayPal, or Western Union. I think they just included Western Union recently. So you can withdraw using any of the 3 methods, be it Bitcoin, PayPal, Western Union. You input your address here and you put your withdrawal amount over here. It's as simple as that. Now their withdrawal system usually takes 24 hours maximum, but although personally I've been using Bitcoin, and using Bitcoin as a means of withdrawal, it doesn't take more than 24 hours, but at maximum, whatever the withdrawal method that you use, it takes them at maximum 48 hours before you receive your payment. So that's that for withdrawal. Now I would like to talk a little about some of the other freelancing jobs that we have here. So I'll be beginning with social media posting. So social media posting, it's a kind of influencing kind of job. So with this social media posting, you can see these are a list of tasks that you can apply for. So when you click on one, it's going to load you up something like this. Now when you see this, you see down here that we have to apply for social media influencing. So before you can start taking a job, you have to apply. Now when you look at this picture, you can see that the image here is blur. Now this image is blurred, reason because you haven't been accepted for this job yet. When you get accepted for this job, the image is going to be clearer, so that you'll be able to download it. Then you will also receive a set of instructions on how to perform the social media influencing job. It's as easy as that. And once you do that, you follow their instruction, you're going to send them a link to the post, which they are going to use to verify that you actually did what they requested of you, before they can now proceed with your payments for the tax. Now, another thing I would like to talk about is YouTube sponsorship. YouTube sponsorship is also a very fantastic way to earn. In fact, it is one of the highest means of high-paying tax on this freelancing platform. YouTube reviews. Here you can create as much reviews as you want, depending on the job that you take. So once you pick up a YouTube review job, they're going to give you a set of instructions for you to follow. You follow that instruction, you send them your link, and they're going to review everything for you. And then once everything has been verified, you are going to get paid for that job. So, but before you start, you have to send and submit your channel link. You apply and you submit your channel link before they will now review you and decide if you are eligible to start participating in their YouTube sponsorship program. So basically that's just a brief overview on copywriting network. Let's go back to our dashboard. Lastly, I would like to call your attention to one more point on this platform. So what you earn on this platform is based on how good you are ranking on the platform. I've said this before. Let me show you guys what I mean. So when you come to this breaking news right here, for instance, now when you scroll at all the jobs there, you can see every job has a listing. You can see this is a 1-star job, 1-star job, 1-star job. The first 3 jobs are all for 1-star writers. Now when you look at their earning, you see $0.22, $0.20, $0.24, and $23. So those are all low paying jobs. Now you might be thinking, why will you spend your time writing an article just to get paid $0.23? That's really poor. So for a start, yes it is, but the higher you go, the higher you rank, the more jobs you take, the higher you start earning more. When you look at this job here, this FIFA World Cup qualification article, it's eligible to a 5-star writer only. Now when you look at the fee, let me zoom in a bit. When you look at the fee, I'm talking about this. When you look at the fee, you can see $6.66. Now I think that's worth something per article. $6.66 for a 5-star writers. Now let's scroll down. Let's zoom into this again. Albert Einstein. I think this is also another content that you can write and work on. Albert Einstein 4-star. You can see the pay is also massive. That's almost $8 to write. That's about 4,000 plus or so, we should say, currently. So that's it for this platform. This platform is very easy to go about, very easy to understand, and it's a high paying platform. So it's something that you can use on the side to earn side income with your free time. So I urge you guys, check it out. Go to the website, sign up, watch the welcome video, which is this. Check it out, try it out, and see if it's something you would like to engage in. If it works for you, if it's something you like to do long term, fine. You're going to you're going to succeed at it. But if it's not for you, then that's also fine, but check it out. So this is it, guys. We have come to the end of this tutorial. So don't forget to please check it out, try it out, and see if it's something that you would like to do long term. It's highly effective, this freelancing platform. It's unlike Fiverr and Upwork that you have to apply for a job and keep waiting till the client accepts you or not. This place, you can just, once you see a job, you like it, just click on it, you are good and accept the job, you're going to be approved. Is you don't have to keep waiting for any clients to discuss or send the resume or all that. Is not necessary. So that's one thing that I really enjoy about this platform. So I urge you guys to try it out and see if it works for you. So that's the end of this tutorial. I'll see you again next time. Don't forget to please like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends, and also turn up your post notification to get more updates on videos like this. Thank you and remain blessed.